If you want to move your OneDrive folder location, the good news is that it only takes a few steps, and I'm going to walk you through the whole process clearly from start to finish. This is really useful if your current drive is running low on space, if you want to move OneDrive to a faster drive, or if you simply want better control over where your files are stored. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, look down at your taskbar and find the OneDrive cloud icon. Right-click that icon to open the OneDrive menu. From the menu, click Settings. This opens the OneDrive Settings window where you can manage your account and sync options. Next, go to the Account tab. This is where OneDrive shows the account that is currently linked to your PC. To move the folder location properly, click Unlink This PC. This step disconnects OneDrive from the current folder setup, which is necessary before you can choose a new location. Don't worry, your files are not being deleted by doing this. Now open File Explorer and create the new folder location where you want OneDrive stored. You can choose a different drive, a different folder, or a better organized location depending on your setup. Just make sure the folder is somewhere you can easily find and that it has enough space for your OneDrive files. Once that folder is ready, open the Start menu and launch OneDrive again. If OneDrive doesn't open automatically, you can search for it and start it manually. When the setup screen appears, sign in with your Microsoft account. Use the same account that was previously linked to OneDrive so your files and sync settings can reconnect properly. During setup, OneDrive will ask where you want the folder stored. When you see that prompt, click Change Location. This is the key step that lets you choose the new folder you created earlier. Browse to the new folder location, select it, and then continue. After that, complete the rest of the setup process. OneDrive will then begin syncing to the new location automatically. Depending on how many files you have, this may take a little time, so let it finish without interrupting it. Once the setup is complete, your OneDrive folder will now be using the new location you selected. This means future sync activity, file updates, and cloud storage will all point to the new folder instead of the old one. And that's it. You've successfully moved your OneDrive folder location. If this video helped, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows and OneDrive tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.